Good afternoon, everyone. Hope y'all are having a great day so far. So today, here I am, once again in a 2010 Honda Accord. This car seems to have a bit of an inconvenient issue. I have this key fob here. It is the original that was programmed with the car. If I attempt to unlock the car from this key fob, like so, it doesn't seem to do anything. When I press the lock switch, it locks, but it does not unlock. Also, when I press the trunk release button, nothing happens. This could be caused by a number of things. However, I believe in this case it's caused by a bad fuse. So in today's video, we are going to go ahead and access the fuse block in the interior of the car and replace that 15 amp fuse with an equivalent one. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. To access the interior fuse block inside this 2010 Honda Accord, we will need to go underneath the wheel. The fuse which we are going to be looking for is fuse 25, which is right here, and we will go ahead and test continuity on it to see if it is broken. Now with my multimeter set to continuity, we can see that this fuse is completely dead. So let's go pull out that fuse, which is fuse 25 on this block, and then take a closer look at it. This is fuse 25. It's a 10 amp fuse, and as we can see some burn marks, as well as a very clear break on the middle there. Now that the fuse has been replaced, let's go ahead and test the lock and unlock functionality once again. Starting from the lock, pressing once, and then pressing twice. Both doors open, and then locking. And then locking again, and opening the trunk. And now it all works. So once again, thank you all for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to post them down in the comments below. And if you liked the video, feel free to leave a like, and also feel free to subscribe if this has helped you in any way. But in any case, that's it for today's video. So thank you all for watching, and I hope you all have a great day. Take care.